I'm live from the Lego Brick Twins. This is a challenge and a giveaway! Later on in this video, we're going to be showing you how to get one of these big Lego sets. This is the Lego City challenge, and the age of this set is 6 to 12, and the number 5 to 12, and the number for the set is 30349, and those 47 pieces, and this is the Lego City car. So what a Lego challenge is when me and my sister battles it out, and whoever finishes first wins. So let's get building. Oh, I think we forgot to put this in a. I think we forgot. We're gonna be telling you how to get one of these Lego sets at the end. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did say that. Ah. Wait. Okay. Wait. You scissors. You scissors. Oh, scissors. Leo. No. Oh no. Wait. I'm just gonna cut it again. That could have been bad. Dang, that was one hop. Okay. I like how it has. Oh wait, does it have two faces? We have the Batman video in the back, so you can go check those videos out. Well, not all of them. Some we got for Christmas, some we got for the birthdays. Put the scissors away. Go. Oh, it's fun. Oh, he has some cool seat. Yeah, like that's a nice seat. He has like police seat. He looks like a kid. I don't know why. Step number 1. Get this. What? How are we gonna do that so fast? Oh, guys, they're actually connected, guys. That's actually very cool. Very cool. New technology, but Legos. Oh, I just dropped my man. Ralph, what? Ralph, my main man. Wait, oh, we got to do or not? Mom's trying hard. Oh, this one. This one. I was like, wait, am I losing the piece? But I just need to do one. The beep. Yes! Oh, no, through my hole. So which one are you on? The next page? Oh, Lego fell. Lego fit. Oh, are you kidding me? Now I am. Kidding me? I'm gonna have to put on the wheelie. I don't like those. Wheelie. You can only do those on motorcycles. No? I don't think so. Yeah, because leave in the comment if either a van, a truck, or a motorcycle to do a wheelie. You don't know. Don't like challenge them. This is sick. Sick, yo, sick. Oh man, I was spinning too fast like I'm motorcycling. Why is it in here? Oh! If only there. All you have to do is like speed go. My voice is gonna be really squeaky, so it looks like oh, I don't like the challenges anymore. I was gonna win. What do you mean? I'm like still on the wheels. One side the wheel, one side Jeep. I don't know. Car. Oh, are you still putting the wheels on? Done. It's a tie. It's a tie. Wins. Oh, dang it! I lost. Oh, I added this piece before. Yeah. Well, close game. I'm gonna just add this on. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to add it like this way. No, you're not. Yeah. No, you're supposed to add it like smooth, like one. I don't care what I do. No, you have to do it. But yeah. Okay. And hey, we have the challenge. Okay. Good challenge. Good challenge. So this is the way how to win one of these. Build Lego sets. Do the challenge. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like always, and comment down below with your favorite car or truck or mine is a Honda, Jeep, and a Honda. And make sure to like this video, and we'll be picking the winner in 10 days. See